go. The first in-house installed Hawg A.S.S Stage 2 for LS3. So here's your little trick for putting your balancer back on since they're press fit. I don't like the aggravation of doing it with the tool, screwing it in there and pulling it on, so I just took a stock bolt, cut it off flat. Let this little fella do the torque. Stick it on there. There you go. Don't got to mess with getting it on there. We're just pulling the threads out, trying to pull it on with the bolt. It's seated. Put your new torque to your bolt in, crank it down, good to go. So now's a good time. You got the balancer back on, the water pump's not there. GM decides it's a real cool idea to put stretch fit belts for the AC compressor on there. And this little tool's got to ride around the crank, so you don't got anything in the way. Now's an easy time to put it on there. And I'm OCD, so I want the numbers so when it comes around, you read it that way. So I'll put it on there. Get it started. Take your socket, walk it around. If you're going to do this with the heads on, it's a lot easier to take the plugs out because you won't be fighting the compression of the engine, spinning your belt on. There you go. Alright, time to get rid of this DOD plate. We don't care about turning the cylinders off no more. We got a hot rod. Unplug it. Get your oil pressure sending unit out. Knock all your bolts out. Look at all that black magic. We don't need it no more. No more DOD. They make plugs. You can drill and tap, put them in here. They make some you can just drive in. I've did a whole bunch of these and never had an issue out of just letting the O-rings saw it off. But you do you. You do what works for you. Roll pressure sending unit back in. Snug it down to good and tight foot-pounds. Bam. Pretty much got a LS3 now. Brand new GM Performance LS7 lifters. To get rid of the DOD, we get rid of the lifters. Now you talk to 10 engine builders, 5 will say you're supposed to soak the lifters, 5 say you put them right in by the manufacturer. I did it both ways, and to be honest with you, I've had a couple fail both ways. No rhyme or reason to it. You've also got your bleed off there. I've put them in both ways. Some of them squirt to the sides, some squirt front to back. There again, whatever works for you guys. The goal is just to get rid of the DOD lifter. So get your 4 of them. New trays, they're cheap. Replace them. Don't pitch pennies, guys. It's orientated. Jam it in there. You're ready to drop it in. You got your tray bolt. Set those bad boys in there. And repeat.